Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the title says sardines. It has sardines in it. This meal is all about sardines. The star of this meal is sardines. This is something normally I put together when I, just got off work or I had a long day and I'm just lazy. I don't feel like really cooking. So I just give me a few ingredients and I make it a meal with the sardines, and I'm gonna show you how. So as you can see here, I'm just starting off by just pan frying some bacon. And yes, I'm seasoning my bacon. And if you're wondering when I put it on there, I'm just throwing some pepper and some granulated garlic. Now the second small pan back there, I'm just using that to saute some onions. I'm gonna get that started. Now, if you're not familiar with sardines, they come in cans and they are already pre-cooked. So all we're gonna do here is just warm it up in a pan. Sardines get a lot of flack. You know, a lot of people don't like them and they get a bad rap. But if you do like sardines, if you like fish, I mean, as long as you doctor it up the way you want it, it can be a great meal. I'm telling you. Just put whatever seasonings you want on there, and you can throw some garlic in there, you can throw some onion, and there you go. You got a meal. Now here's the sardines plated. I put it over some white rice, and I have a side of green beans, and of course the bacon. And there you go. That's the meal.